Hello everybody, welcome to Vlogmas days 6, 7? I can't even add up now. I am doing another double. I guess I'm going to be doing them in doubles at the moment because that is all I can cope with basically. And this is kind of one that's crept up on me, so there may be some elements missing. I was just going to show you me sorting out my, well, not our hobby room, where we're going to do our hobbies, mine being YouTube and my husband's being sort of making Lego stuff, building, colouring and stuff, whenever his brain feels like he can cope with doing something for a little bit of time, or sometimes playing music and that I don't want to listen to. That's always a good thing to be in a different room for. Anyway, so there I was tidying my stuff away, and I'll show you some of the footage and you can see for yourself. So we have just got all of our Christmas stuff out of the loft. There's a tiny bit over there somewhere under that pile, but most of it is here. This is something we just got, which is going to light up apparently, and we can stick it on with those command strips so that it won't damage the wall. And we've just got so much stuff. We've got foils, we've got lights, we've got crackers. We've got like 3 bags of Christmas bedding, jumpers, tops, pants, socks. We've even got stuff out here. This is some stuff that I bought last year for Christmas this year in the sales. And this is our kitchen window. It looks good, right? Very sparkly and festive. So I'll keep you updated with our progress, but first I need to finish, trying to squeeze myself into the room, this thing. So this is going to be where I sit and record, and this behind me I've got to fill up with all of my beauty stuff from my old house. Slowly but surely we're getting there. Like, that corner was full and now it's actually got a table under it. So progress, right? I know that I had some things that I didn't think were open, but this looks like a brand new Asos box that I didn't open it. Like, what is going on with that? Sorry if I'm a bit wonky. It's the Asos Travels Essentials box. Don't even remember this one. Pretty sure you can't still get it though. Ooh. We've got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, Rodale Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Tonic. Oh, I needed some new tonic. Yes. No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. We Hair Care Rose Hair and Body Oil. Amazing Face Brilliant Facial Oil from Emma Hardy. And Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. Hey, it's Merry Christmas to me. This is cool. Well, that was good. A free little unboxing there for you guys. Another box that I haven't opened. This Pip box, the Jet Set edit, but I've got some Edelweiss Sun Lotion Natural Tan Accelerator, lashes from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I'm just going to show you them because they're quite exciting. Makeup eraser sample. I don't know what this is. #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. I think this is going to be another one of those cloths. Yeah, you get it wet, use warm water. And this is a Laritzi eye crayon and a Peony Matcha BB powder with SPF 15. Sorry the light isn't great in here, but you kind of get the idea, right? So it's kind of a pale peachy colour. It's in the colour light. So more goodies for people to have, I think. I might try that one out. And I'm going to keep this. Wow. Right, I'm pretty sure this is my last box. I remember ordering this. This is from Latest in Beauty. Let's find out. What did I order? Ooh. I got some Hippies. Salt and vinegar vibes. I don't really like these, but husband might. Oh, it was a special edition one called Glam On The Go. No, you can't get this one anymore. This is the Glam To Go bag. This is so exciting. So first we have a vintage cosmetic company duo pencil sharpener. I think I bought one similar to this. Basically, it holds all the sharpenings in here and then you can empty them at a later date instead of just making a mess directly into your makeup bag or the side or whatever. So that is really cool. And I'm pretty sure they are cruelty free at least, and possibly vegan as well. Oh, a massive one. Bioactive skincare from Dr. Organic. This kind of thing is always helpful. Obviously this was like meant to be summer, I guess. But yeah, this looks like it's full size. 12-hour bioactive protection and moisture balance. Nourishes and restores dry, cracked and rough skin. Soothing, hydrating, deodorizing. Sounds wonderful. Oh, Fruity Magic Rejuvenating Cream Mask. I have had another one of these recently. I haven't tried it yet. But it's jam-packed with an oomph of nutrients thanks to a host of natural ingredients like rejuvenating green tea, soothing aloe and regenerating honey, made in the UK. Ooh-ha. So yeah, that sounds good. What is this? Rose & Co. The Celebrated Beauty Balm Rose Petal Salve, Moisturising Lip Balm, Cheekbone Enhancer, Eyelash Moisturiser, Dry Skin Rescue, Gorgeous Lip Gloss, Eyebrow Tamer, Lipstick Primer, Cuticle Balm, Skin Barrier. Never seen this brand before. Looks like that. I guess this goes along the lines of, you know, Dr. Lip and what's that other one? You know, the Dr. Pawpaw and things like that. Another mask. Masquerade. Oh, looks like something's leaked on that. I don't know if you can see that in the corner, but pre-party prep, brighten, prime and energize. Eco-friendly, natural, no parabens, infused with argan oil. You may be ready for a night of party celebration, but is your face? Make sure you stand out from the crowd and start prepping your skin now. Create a perfect canvas for foundation application with pre-party prep, silky lightweight blend, argan oil, orange peel oil, superfruit extract, rice extract and honey to energize, hydrate, brighten and prime your skin for a flawless, velvety, smooth finish. Wow. It's 100% biodegradable, which is awesome. Makes it eco-friendly. It's a recyclable packet even. That sounds really good. Yeah, impressed with that. And if they can make their packaging recyclable, why doesn't everyone make their packaging recyclable? There's still so much more in this bag. Okay, this from Elemis. Oh, this is what's leaking. Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Smells nice. Deep Cleansing Balm. So this is quite a big size from Elemis as well. I can imagine that's probably about like £15 worth of product there. Oh, Herbal Bath Back Comfort Devil's Claw. Beneficial and relaxing for back, shoulders and neck with natural essential oils. Definitely need this. It warms muscles and helps soothe and release tension in back and neck areas. Add to the bath. Brilliant. Be interesting to see if this does work. I've never tried this before. Oh, what's this? Look at this swanky packaging. This is in the colour Sunset Cruise from Burt's Bees. I've never had anything from Burt's Bees. There we go. So it's like a kind of corally colour. Just do it on the back of my hand there. Peachy corally colour. That would have been perfect for summer. I mean, you can still wear it, of course. And that does mean that the colour here is the colour of it. And obviously, because it's Burt's Bees, that's why it looks like honeycomb. I am thinking of doing one of my giveaways of items that I have done just that with. You see, clean hand that I had there, and I just rubbed not the lip part but just the side of it onto the back of my hand to show you guys the colour and show myself the colour. Now, how would you feel if I gave you items like that? Obviously I would tell you that they had been either used in that kind of way, or I touched them in some kind of way, basically, that they weren't untouched by human hand. Would you feel that that was not suitable, or would you be like, okay, that's fair enough, I don't mind, it's not like, you slaved it all over your lips and then given it to me? Let me know your thoughts down below. Two more things. This fat lip crayon from Lord & Berry, lip crayon lipstick. This looks very similar colour to this actually. Look, there you go. I like the way that applies. Yeah, that looks nice. Do you like that colour? It's like the brighter version of the peach, and I feel like that could be worn all year round. CYO in couplet. And look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but that end is like completely weird. Oh, there's balm on everything. Might work well on your face, but does not taste good. Ah, look, it's got like two-tone. Can you see that? Two different colours. I wonder if that's supposed to be like you can use two different colours, or that you can like line your lips and get an ombre effect. That's cool, although you wouldn't really be able to tell, would you? It's really like luscious moisturising looking. I've done the two different colours there, so you can see that's more red and that's a bit more orange. Is that better? But only just, I mean, you can't really tell from that. Kind of, maybe that side's the lighter side. And even when you do a full just print, yeah, you can kind of see that that's lighter, but only because you're really, really, really looking for it. While we're here, should we do these? Might as well do these, mightn't we? Glossy Box Day 6. So we have something, Thrina, I don't know ever how you say this. It's called the Lip Primer. This lip primer acts as a perfect base for lipstick, providing a smooth matte finish and lasting colour. It's paraben free. I wonder if it's just clear, so that makes sense. It just comes in a little tube. Oh, it's slightly pink. Well, I thought it might not taste too bad considering it's going on your lips, but I wouldn't lick it. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's just definitely not the best. But something I don't have, so that's okay. Big wide one. Oh, cool. Patisserie de Ban Strawberry Cupcake Bath and Shower Cream. I love a bit of shower cream, shower gel, bath gel, whatever. Stuff that you use in the shower. I bet it smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. That's the only problem with these products. You just really want to eat them. Lovely. Amazon Day 6, Bourjois, can't even show you properly, can I? Rouge Edition Velvet. And I have quite a few of these. I really like them. I like the consistency. Sometimes you do have to like paint them on a few times to get kind of even coverage, depending on the colour. That's the more bright pink one that I've got. Let's try this one. I don't always like these colours, but I do like the look of that one. And I think especially paired with the right lip liner. I have got a bit more into my brown colours lately with sort of browny red rusty kind of colours, and I know that this is going to feel lovely and comfortable on my lips. I'm looking forward to using that. It's a flowers and berry packaging for Day 7. Oh, lashes from Ilia, who make my favourite lashes, including these ones. These like 117 I think texture. Love the lashes. This is quite good actually, because I would never normally go for these because they make me feel nervous. 128, a pretty lash with lightly spiked prongs. It's got lash attitude written all over it. Yeah, I would never normally go for that style because I think, oh, is it too spiky, too weird? It only works with certain eye looks or something. But since I've been sent some, I'm going to try them out. Thank you. Say thank you as if Amazon care. I bought it, I paid for it, then send it to me for free. 6, a little one down here. Ooh, Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. How funny is it that I've just got this when I literally just got one in the latest in beauty, or in the other one, in the Asos one I think. So more of this to try. I'm sure it'll be nice. Another not massive one. Ico Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curl. The Ico mascaras that I've tried, I've never found one that I really enjoy, but maybe this could be the one because I've not tried Drama and Curl before. Designed for after-hour seduction, our unique brush creates drama, volume and curl combined with an extreme carbon black water-resistant finish. You know, that is 2 rather small items in a row from Look Fantastic, and with that size box you could have had the full-size mascara. Oh, that's an interesting brush, isn't it? Properly curved. Alright, maybe I'll give that one a try actually, since it's quite different. Although there's no product in the end over here. It's all at the beginning. Interesting. Obviously I discovered loads of boxes, and yeah, so we had kind of like an impromptu unboxing session, and I thought, well, it's time to do my giveaways. And I of course said that the next ones were going to be cruelty free and vegan, so that is what they are. I'm going to do 2 of those types. So if you are a person who particularly needs vegan items and or cruelty free, I mean, who doesn't need cruelty free? Cruelty free is good for everyone, right? But if you are a person who particularly needs vegan, I will give you double entry. Just let me know that you are a vegan. Everyone can enter, but I'm just saying that anyone who says that they're vegan will get a double entry. So they have a greater chance of winning these things because, you know, they're more suitable for you guys. Or not necessarily suitable, but these are things that you can have without having to worry about any of them. So the first group are a True Soft shampoo and conditioner. They both look like this. They are vegan, cruelty free, softening argan oil, sulfate and paraben free, colour guard complex, produced in Sweden. They're from Maria Nila. Then we have this from Superdrug, vitamin E skincare gentle oatmeal exfoliator for normal to dry skin, high in antioxidants. Then we have this from Dr. Botanicals. This is the pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. This is quite nice. I have used this myself. This is an easy one to use because you can put it on overnight. The only thing is that it needs to be kept in the fridge once it's been opened. The last item on that list is this from Mellow Cosmetics, a company from New Zealand, and it is an eyeliner. It's felt tip eyeliner. And the second group of items are thus. This from Friendly Soap. It's a shampoo bar. It's a natural healthy shine from lavender and geranium. It smells nice. We have this coffee scrub, all natural, vegan, friendly coffee orange scrub. Your thing from Dr. Botanicals is this coffee superfood renewing facial exfoliator. This also needs to be kept in the fridge. And then we have an eye pencil from Larizzi. This is a proper pencil. And the last item is this from Occo Skincare. Yeah, I don't know if you say Occo or not, I don't know. It's a natural face balm stick, organic clary sage and rose geranium, and you just use it like a cream, just like rub it all over your face, but it's just in a little stick. I knew that these boxes would come in handy. Perfect packaging size. Okay, day 6, name the 6 best things that have happened to you this year. Or if you're struggling for 6 for you, name them for someone else, like, you know, somebody got married or whatever, something hopefully uplifting, and people can all read them and feel uplifted by good things. For day 7, what sends you to 7th heaven? There we go. So if you have a preference for either of the groups of items, then if you say shampoo bar, if you would prefer that set, and if you say Maria Nila, if you prefer the other set, and I will do my best to send you whichever you have asked for if you are the winner, unless the person who wins, the other person who wins, says exactly the same, in which case I will do it by first come first serve. Whoever says the one that they want can have it, basically. I think that's quite fair. All of the instructions about this giveaway are in the box below and also in day 1's video, so go watch, be subscribed. Don't forget, I will be checking. Now, people are probably waiting to find out who has won the last 2 sets of giveaways, days 4 and day 5. And I'm afraid you're going to have to wait one more day because I just haven't had time to go through it properly, and I wouldn't want to miss anyone off the list because it's very important that everybody gets a good chance to win. But if I can get out an extra little video with just those results on it later, I will do my best. Thank you so much for watching my Vlogmas, and until I see you next time, so tomorrow I guess, or some version of tomorrow, I hope you live every moment well, enjoy your December weekend and getting your trees and do your decorations and whatever else you're doing over the weekend, and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.